Do you want to learn how to flash a custom boot logo on your Xiaomi Poco F1? That's what we're going to do in this video. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the boot logo on your Xiaomi Poco F1. Now, the stock boot logo on the Xiaomi Poco F1 is black background, Pocophone F1 or Poco F1 in yellow. That is the stock boot logo. If you want to change that, I have linked an XDA thread in the description of this video. All credits for this mod go to XDA member. I've highlighted his name because I don't know how to pronounce their name and I don't want to mess up doing that. They've created a utility in Java which requires Java 8, and they also have instructions if you want to create your own boot logo. You can do that. I will, however, be using one of the boot logos which has been provided by Xperia 196. This is the Pixel 2 boot logo. So I've downloaded this flashme.zip file which contains the Google Pixel 2 style boot logo for the Xiaomi Poco F1. Now, what are the things which we need? You need to have an unlocked bootloader for starters. I have a separate video for that which is linked in the description of this video, and it will also pop up as a card on the top right of your screen. Then you need the bootlogo zip file which you will be using. You also need latest ADB and fastboot, which is this guy, platform-tools. And in case you want to go back to your original yellow Pocophone F1 boot logo, then you have to download another zip file which has the original boot logo. Links to all of these files are linked in the description of this video. I've placed all the files in one folder just to make my life easier. First thing we're going to do is we will double click on ADB and fastboot, which is platform-tools, and extract this guy. Once we have extracted ADB and fastboot, we will have a folder called platform-tools. If we go inside this folder, we have our ADB over here, and we also have fastboot over here. Next thing which we need to do is we will extract the bootlogo zip file which we had downloaded. Once we have extracted the bootlogo zip file, it will create another folder, flash_me, or whatever the name of the zip file is. If we go inside this guy, we have an image file called flash_me.img. I personally do not like this name, so I will rename it to say pixel2-poco-bootlogo. This is the name of the file. Now I will right click on it and say copy this guy, click on the back button, go inside the platform tools folder and click on paste item. Now I have my fastboot and my modified boot logo in the same folder. At this point, we need to turn off our Xiaomi Poco F1 and boot it into fastboot mode. Once your phone is turned off, press and hold volume down and power button at the same time till you see the fast boot screen, at which point you need to connect your phone to the computer using the USB cable. Next thing we need to do is Mac and Linux users need to open terminal, and you need to navigate to the folder where we have ADB and fastboot and the new boot logo image file. Windows users can go to that folder, press the shift key and then right click. You will get a pop-up menu. Over there you can select open command prompt or open PowerShell, whatever you are comfortable with. The first command we're going to use is to check whether our phone is being detected in fastboot mode or not. The command for that is fastboot devices. Mac and Linux users need to enter / before the command. If you're using PowerShell, then you use dot and the other slash. I will have commands in the description of this video, and command prompt users do not need to use any / you can just type in fastboot devices. Once you've entered the command, go ahead and press enter, and there, as you can see, my device is being detected in fastboot mode. The next command we're going to execute is to check the name of the file, because sometimes Windows users have the extension as .img and that causes issues. If you are in PowerShell and terminal, you need to enter ls -l and then press enter. As you can see, the name of my image file is pixel2-poco-bootlogo.img. If you're in command prompt, you need to enter dir /p and then press the enter key. You will get the full name of the file. The next command we're going to use is to flash this new modified boot logo on a Xiaomi Poco F1. The command to flash the modified boot logo is fastboot flash logo and the name of the image file. Once you've entered the command, go ahead and press enter. Sending logo, writing finished successfully, which means a new logo has been installed successfully or flashed successfully on the Poco F1. The next command we're going to do is to issue a reboot. The command for that is fastboot. Reboot, again, terminal users need to enter /. PowerShell users also need to enter /, but they need to use the other slash. Once you entered the command, go ahead and press enter, and bam, there we have it. New boot logo, Google Pixel 2 style in the building, running like a boss on the Xiaomi Poco F1. In case you peeps want to go back to the original logo, I have linked the original logo in the description of this video. You need to follow the same process, and instead of using the modified logo, you have to use the original logo. So your command will be fastboot flash logo and then the name of the original file. Let's assume it is original.img. So you will enter fastboot flash logo space original.img and then press the enter key. That's it for this video, peeps. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.